So I have to make this video quick because the files can get too big and I can't get them sent off. I am doing this video really quick on the SincMill SCM-1148L that I just picked up here, I don't know, a couple days ago. I spent about 4 hours total time putting this together. It was quite easy. I followed the directions, and even more so, I followed the YouTube videos that outline and describe in detail, three-dimensionally, how to put this unit together. Came in 4 separate boxes in 3 separate days. They were quite heavy. You'll need another person to help you move it to wherever you're going to install it. Very solid built. Everything is super solid. You could not ask for a better unit. It's very heavy gauge metal. Installation was extremely easy. I ended up following the video more than I did the directions. And when I got stuck, I'd followed to the directions and kind of read over it really quickly. 2 big important things to keep in mind. The first one is this right here, this plastic piece. You attach this netting that goes over the weight column to this. Screws, 3 on top, 3 on the bottom, both sides. This top screw on both sides, that one right there too. They have to be loose, as the directions say, right up to the very, very end. And the reason for it is when you go to attach this netting, it is super tight, it's solid, and if this plastic piece right here is not loose and able to move up and down, you will not be able to get this netting installed. After you're done installing this, this cover over the top, then you go back and you tighten those down. You just leave these loose as you're installing this, and when you get to the step where you cover this up, it'll make it easier when this plastic piece is able to move up and down. You'll be able to attach these screws. Second, pay attention to the cable guides right here on these units. It is super, super important to make sure that these cable guides are placed like the directions show. It can be a little confusing, but once you get it done, you get it going, it's quite easy. The reason for it is you want to make sure these cables are not hitting anything that they shouldn't be rubbing on or getting abrasions on the cables. It wears on them very quickly. You want to make sure that these cable guides are in place, and a couple of these are actually optional. The first cable you install will have this cable end on both sides. It is very, 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 very important that you use the open-ended cable that has both ends that are like this. This cable goes like that, down there to the bottom right there, goes back up the other side, and as you come around, attaches right here. It can be very confusing watching the video because the steps for the first cable literally just glide right into the steps on this cable, and it can be confusing. I'm kind of trying to help you out with the installation because it took me a minute, man, to figure it out and know that it was separate and that those 2 cables right there that connect are the open-ended ones. Other than that, you're going to be happy with this. It is solid, very well put together, offers up a lot of different workouts. You will not be disappointed. The weight boxes are quite heavy when you get them. You're going to need help getting these boxes wherever you're going to put them. Directions and putting this together was impeccable. I have no complaints, and I don't think you will either. It came with a lot of different attachments. Those units right there came with it. That bar, this right here came with it. This bar right here, that strap, that leg strap right there came with the unit. The preacher curl setup right there and the foot press setup right there. It's all perfect. You will not be disappointed in this. I highly recommend it. Make sure you have some friends putting it up, helping you get it set up and put wherever you're going to put it. It's quite heavy, and the footprint is quite small too. You won't be disappointed. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and hope I was able to help. Bye for now.